Alright guys, what's up? Back another what? Sorry, I couldn't register anything for a second. Okay. You know, I'm back from another what happened? I'm sorry. I'm losing brain something right now. Stupid idiot prime movers. Oh, I have my Xbox controller down there, by the way. Alright, I'm back on, what was this game called? Beast Form. Yeah. I'm back on Beast Form Simulator. Excuse the outfit. I wasn't really trying with this. Hold on. Yeah, obviously. Well, that sucks. Literally, I am, yeah, okay. In any case, what the hell? Okay, it's whatever. Alright, so I'm gonna go kill the King Beetle since I haven't done that in a while. As soon as I reset, I saw that I had bitter berries my cub made. Why was that so laggy right there for a second? Okay, well, thank you. 3 magic beams. Okay, that's not bad. Okay. I am saving up my moon charms now. But I don't know why I'm saving them up. I am. Just whatever. I'm saving my star treat. Let's see here. So now I need to start making enzymes and oils. So I need like 25 enzymes and 50 oils, right? Yeah. Oh, it's the other way around. 25 oils and 50 enzymes. Oh, okay. Haven't really been doing any of Spirit Bear's quests lately, so I haven't really been doing much of Beast One lately anyway. Suck a total motor. I know what that means, by the way. Damn it. I want to at least get something. I am trying to get star treats from the Nightmare rematch. I heard it's hard to get them from the Nightmare rematch. Rare sprout. I'm hoping it's a debug sprout because debug sprouts are like the best in the game, obviously. And I've only ever seen one before. Yeah, no, I've seen one before. How cool am I? Like donating to the Wind Shrine Daily. I donate about here, let's today I'm gonna donate. Today I'm gonna donate. Wait till I see it. Oh, that's a good idea. I'm gonna donate a neon berry. Okay. Well, that wasn't very good. I should have donated to like 5 or something like that. It's whatever. So yesterday, after the stream ended, me and Enter did escape, but that video for some reason isn't uploading. Now, if you guys want me to turn off my face cam and just stop doing face cams and you don't want to look at me, then I mean, you can tell me. I won't be offended. Well, yes, I will be offended, but I won't take it personally. Well, I don't know about that, but all I'm saying is I probably won't get like too mad about it. Because I don't understand where you're coming from. I'd kind of hate to see a YouTuber's face like Darzet and his ugly haircut. Three enzymes, one oil. Yeah, that's the ratio, I guess. Alright, now I'm gonna do a mythical meteor shower. Wish me luck. Oh, he gave me 7 million honey from Tom. Oh man. Do you have a night bell? Do you have a night bell? No, I don't have a night bell. Of course I don't. Why would I have a night bell? There is a way to get up there without it being night. I could have sworn somebody said something about it. Was it the roof? It might have been the roof, somebody said. I don't know. Somebody told me that there was a way to get up there without using the platforms at nighttime, but apparently you have to. I didn't know meteors collected colors. Laura, I am looking at my rewards. Some of them are fine with the movie of me getting some. It's not clear enough. I need more carbon balls. You would stop. I'm trying to make a video. I guess that I guess I just get it. I wasn't party with them, but they were playing Breaking Point. And we were playing Sea of Thieves. I will maybe one day try to record something or maybe play the Xbox. I don't have a software for that. If I play a different game other than Roblox, it's probably going to be something interesting. Wow, I'm just getting a video of this. Crap. here, so let's see. Anything good? No, nothing. Nothing good. I'm just kidding. I got honey, so that's all that matters. So let's see. How about let's try and get a mutation for Puppy Bee, because apparently Puppy Bee is really good gifted. Nope. Let me check the wiki for Beast one real quick. Puppy Bee. I have a lot of tabs, so it's kind of laggy. Puppy Bee. Gifted. Plus 20% bond from treats. It's not bad. Let me see if my tunnel bear is there, because we might have to go and AFK him tonight if he's here. I'm not tunnel bear, I meant the snail. Yep. I know I'm trying to go for like jelly beans or something like that. Trying to go for jelly beans and I don't know, just something else. The difference between the coin scatter and those freaking my coin scatter code is a lot more. Well, I guess I will. Alright, let's see. What are my quests? Oh. Damn it. Yes, I know, Luke. Shut up. I think I heard of Whoosh. You know, from the Lego movie. I don't know why I make so many references. I'm sorry, guys. I did hear, Stinger of Whoosh, you could say. Sorry. I'm gonna go do the Nightmare rematch. Sorry, I never forget at nighttime anymore. Because it gives you star treats. That's how I got my star treat. Well, no. I got that star treat from doing Mother Bear in the rematch. I mean, not Mother Bear, it's last quest. Which it actually surprisingly isn't that hard to get bees level like 10, 12. I thought it required a whole bunch of time, but it really doesn't. 7 hours. There it is. Ah, it's the Whoosh I heard. Oh, it's level 8. That should give me a decent amount of money. Notifications are literally the pain of my existence. Why do they pop up as soon as I start recording? Like earlier today, I was waiting for notifications, and now I'm literally getting them like that. What I meant to say, guys. Yeah. Oh my god, no. I totally didn't fall on purpose to grab the treat dispenser. No, I totally didn't fall on purpose to go and get some blueberries. No. I didn't like use the blue portal and you like use the blue portal to get back up super fast. No, I totally didn't know that. Three stingers, 5 stingers, 3 million honeys, and that's not that good. Okay. Well, guys, I really don't know what else to do in V-Swarm, really. There's nothing else I need to do in V-Swarm, today at least. But that was pretty much it. I don't know what I'm gonna title this. I'm gonna title this the most boring video ever. I could title this, I got, my friend to join me. I could nearly beat Coconut Crab. All I need is my Vicious Bee at level 12. If I get my Vicious Bee to level 12, it's Coconut Crab is over. He's dead. Ow, ow, ow! I tried to get it. Now look at that. I already lowered him by so much. I'm not gonna kill him anytime soon, guys. The day that I kill him is the day that most of my bees are level 12. Yeah, that sounds about right. So, I'm gonna go make honey, and I'm gonna go grab my blues and end the video there. I'm setting up for the honeycomb belt, and then after that, I'm setting up for the gummy mask. No, wait, no. I'm setting up for the pedal one, then the gummy mask. So let me go check what it requires first. Alright, do that. It's 100 blues. Okay, that's actually kind of easy, actually. Considering the amount of glues that I have is literally like 150, 180. So, that's not that hard for me, actually. That's really not that hard. That's really not that far away. The enzymes and the oil might be the hardest part, but the glitter is easy for me. Well, more or less. What's the gummy boots? Yeah, 900. Yeah, no, I'm not getting that anytime soon. Alright, just go ahead and reset here. There's no other way out of here, I'm sorry to say it. We just gotta die to get out. I did realize that I forgot to play my star jellies. Oh, no, not star jellies. I wish they were star jellies, damn. I forgot to play my star jellies. I am setting up for the diamond amulet, so I will be using the star jellies on my bees. Wait, what's wrong thing? Nope. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.